Hi guys, I'm Kuba Walica, I'm a heels teacher and welcome you on heels class online with Dancebook Dance Academy. Before you start dancing, please pay attention to your warm-up, stretch your feet, stretch your arm, stretch your back, okay? Think about your stomach, okay? Think about pull up your stomach and make some exercises, okay? Please, don't do this without some warm-up. That's first part of my choreo. So we are start on one. First step is on the right leg and we are go up, sitting on your hip, pull your adductors and go on the left, sit on left hip and go to the plie, go right to front and go to fourth big position like ballet position, okay? And after this, you have to pull up your adductors again and turn to right to fifth position. And after this, you go to coup de pied and stretch out your right leg to front and go down, okay? With your hands, you go to your head and 4 counts, you go down, 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 down to chest. After this, your hands up to your body. Go to your knee, go to your back, and go up. And after this, catch the sound. So we can go together, okay? I will be on front of you, and after this, I will go to the back. So let's connect it our moves. So we go up and stay on your hip, go up and go to the plie. You have to think about your arch and go leg, open to fourth position, your hands are on your back and turn. Yes, and coup de pied, and stretch out, think about your chest, and go down. You have to think about drama. You know the Dirty Dancing, so you have to go be like in this movie. And after this, go up, catch the sound, it's very sharp moves, so you have to go boom, boom, and smooth, 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 smooth. Okay, so now we can do it and together, yes, and I will show you this on the back. And go right, sit, go up, sit and plie, stretch, open and up, coup de pied and to the right and down, up, plie, and open chest to front, and to the right, plie. One more time. So we go on one and two and three and four and down, open and ha, and up and down. Open. Okay, so one more. Go on the one. So 7, 8, 1. Sit and 3. Sit and down. Plie. Stretch and open and ka. Coup de pied and stretch. Down. Up. Down. Open, down. Okay, we have to think about difference between sharp moves and smooth moves. Sharp is a very big position here and here. And now you think about chest to front and side. And it's not over. No. Yes. So we can try. Go here and up, down and front, open to right and plie. This position, it's a plie, so it's a preparation before turn, okay? And we will go to the turn to the left side, and first our left leg is going to the attitude, passe and to bevel. I will show you on the back. Plie, yes, on your right leg, go to the attitude, yes, so attitude, it's not to the side, but to the back, okay? Think about your knee. It's not this position, it's up, okay? So try up, passe, and bevel in plie. So try to the top. 7, 8, and 1, and down, up, and down, leg, open, turn, coup de pied, open, down, sharp, sharp, smooth, and plie, and turn, down. Okay? Now, the arm, left arm, down, up, down, open, 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 close. And now you think about left arm. Go open, round, and up. Pull up your stomach and go to the head. Yes? Right, it's near your body. Okay, so up, up, and down. And now open and close your position to the right. So together from here. After stretch out, down, open, close, smooth, smooth, plie, turn, up, down, and go, 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 and close. One more time. 7, 8, 1, up, down, open, close, and 8, 8, whoo, and up, and close. That's end of first part of choreography. So one more time. First, I will be front to you, and after will be back. So go on 1, 7, 8, 1, drama, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Boom, ka, open, and boom, boom, ha, open, close. Okay, to the back. 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, open and up, down, up, down, open, close, and turn, up, down, bevel, open, close. Okay, so now you can try in tempo, right tempo, so it's a little faster. So we can try 7 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Boom, ka ka boo, and a whoo, ha. Open, close. Okay, you have to think about sharp, sharp, stay, open to the word, and boom, boom, ha. It's sharp, open, and close, like with drama. It's finished first part of choreography, so I invite you to second part. See you.